I'm Xavier Husky Mufasa Fairchild.
And my name is Clementine McAdams.
And we are the spray paint instructors. You know, we don't like labels here, but you gotta keep some sort of authority.
And we just teach them how to channel all of their emotions into art through spray paint.
And positive energy, you just want that flowing through you, because a lot of the students that come to us are, you know, troubled youths that come from abusive homes, or, you know, they rob banks, or they're blind. Like, it's really it's a weird range of people, but we accept everybody here.
Yes, a lot of them are troubled, I'll admit that. Actually all of them. And when they come in, they're asking for help, and that's what we give to them. Yes.
We originally had them sculpting with ice, but we found since most of these kids were troubled, they had more experience with spray paint. So we opened up that medium, and
yes, that and with the ice it involved some sort of a saw, and we realized that that was not an option.
There was an incident that got bad, so, you know, legal issues. Mm-hmm. And we teach them how to use the spray paint not to tag buildings, but to, you know, make beautiful pieces of works.
Art.
Yeah.
What I like to say about Alexa is that she's very talented. Mm-hmm. Yes, she gets really into what she's doing. I like her movement throughout the piece. And she can get a little violent at times.
Yeah, that was when she came to us. She was a very violent person.
What we figured out was that she can channel that rage into, instead of sheer energy and strength, she could channel that into art.
And she really learned how to focus that energy into something positive, which is kind of what our main foundation is about.
And she's done very, 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 very well.
Mm-hmm. There's been a definite improvement from, you know, her first piece to her last.
She just drew obscene gestures all over and I cried.
Well, I went home that day and I had a bubble bath. And
excuse me, I'm having a little
it's really emotional. It's okay.
I'm feeling okay.
Okay, we're back.
All right.
Now with Emma, obviously the biggest obstacle was that she couldn't see. So art was difficult for her.
Yes. We had to just kind of direct her towards the painting and tell her to do whatever.
Press the button.
Press the little, yep, we were like, Emma, do this with your fingers. And
at first she was like, ah, but...
I mean, she can speak.
Yeah.
She's not an animal, Xavier.
Yeah, I know.
That's not what we teach
That's
here.
why I was afraid at first, because I didn't know what was happening.
Yes.
She started growling at me. I'm like, listen, I know you're blind, not an animal. It's hard to teach her the concept of balance and color. Like, balance is when it looks good, and then you'd be like, oh, wait, you don't know what that means.
And she's just gone from, instead of, you know, trying to stick with the color schemes that we have suggested for her, she's just been picking up cans of spray, just spraying whatever she feels like, you know, in whatever order. Sometimes she sprays people around her.
She gets really into the canvas,
yes.
So sometimes she accidentally turns without knowing, and then she's spraying one of her friends.
But you know what? No matter what she does, it looks good.
Yeah, she never seems to make a bad piece. Even her first one. Beautiful. A single spray paint.
Just
spray. And it was perfectly centered.
It dripped. And it was just...
The symbolism was...
You're gonna have to excuse me, I'm having emotions.
It's like a miracle.
Okay. You see, since a good majority of the people that we take in here are blind or violent, we figure that instead of having them use any kind of words, we just decided we're going to dunk their hands in paint and say, go. So they will put their hand wherever, and that is their signature.
And it's kind of like a high five to the world, everyone that sees it. It's like, and we also wanted to avoid the particularly angry group to use paintbrushes, because we found that they could turn them into shanks and shank others. So we avoided that.
Yes.
And we usually don't use the same color twice. The one day is, you know, Monday could be peach and Tuesday could be purple.
Wednesday is usually more of an auburn color. Always auburn. If Wednesday is any kind of color, it's not auburn. there's a problem.
The whole archival system is messed up. But let's not get into that, because
Wednesdays is a difficult topic for
Wednesday.
us.
We don't like to talk about it as much as possible, because it's Wednesday. Yeah, we believe that what we're doing is something positive, and we will continue to do that, even though we are losing two of our best artists to college, which is, hey, whatever.
If that's what they want to do, if that's what they want to waste their life with, then they can do that.
Education's not necessary, man.
No, I mean, look at me.
Look at me.
Look at me. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Can we go? Are we good?
Is that what's happening? Alright.
Okay.
I'm just gonna scooch on over here. Carl, come on. Time for breakfast.
Ah, Jesus, woman!
Carl, what do you want for breakfast? Just tell me.
It's Sunday! I want what we always have!
Bacon?
Yeah!
Okay, get up.
Jesus! Ah, Jesus! Carol! Carol, there's snow outside!
Snow! What are we gonna do about the tea?
There's snow! Get the snow gear!
Okay, Carl, calm down. I'll go get the snow gear. Carl! I got the snow gear!
Ah, damn it, Carol. It's like a blizzard out here.